Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and I wanted to talk about one add-on that's available for Firefox. And we're not really sure exactly how bad the information or how unsecure whatever it's doing is, because this is a popular plugin called Web Security by Web Security. If you have this installed, one of the security researchers says that, and that comes from uBlock Origin developer Raymond Hill. The app Web Security, apparently it's supposed to protect you from threats and malware and phishing so that you can be safe, but the problem is it has a very odd behavior, and it was once in the like top listed plugins for Firefox. Since then has been removed as the top plugin, but it's still available for download. And if you have it, well, there's something weird happening to it. So for everything that you do, every page that you load, every information that you actually enter in there, one of the things that happens with the this web security app is that it actually posts to a website which is 136.243.163.73. And all the data sent is garbled. We don't really know what it's sending out, and there's kind of a wonder if there's not a security risk out of this. 220,000 people have installed, or installs of the app were done, and we're kind of wondering exactly what is in there. So a user responded to a post after he decoded the garbled data, and apparently transmits URLs of users visited page to a server. So we don't really know. We don't really know exactly where and what it does, but a lot of users are now worried about the excessive tracking. And it's up to you. If I were using it, I would probably uninstall it right now. So if you do use Web Security, buy Web Security as a Firefox plugin, think about it and consider checking it out and see if it actually has any problems. There was a comeback about it by the company, talking about how their servers in Germany and that they're bound by the GDPR rules and for processing data, and so I don't know. I don't know what to think about it, and I don't know. I think it might be a good idea to remove it. Maybe too much data is being sent out without your knowledge. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.